We are already in the second half of the year and you're still posting memes on your WhatsApp status. You're still posting memes on your Facebook page. You're still posting memes on your Instagram page. You said this is your year of financial breakthrough. We're already in July, yo. Hello? We are in July. See, you're not going to break through financially if you're not ready to break out from your comfort zone, if you're not ready to break out from your procrastination, and also break out from your laziness. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 profitable business ideas you can start as a Nigerian. Yes, as a Nigerian, you can do this business and make profit from it. With the present economy of this country, finding a highly profitable business to start is key. And even if you're doing a 9-to-5 job or a 8 to 6 job, you can actually start one of these business ideas as a side hustle. Or this can also be a full-time hustle if you want to be self-employed and do not want to work under anyone. You can achieve this and also make lots of money from it. A lot of Nigerians are cashing out with these business ideas. So I want you to pay keen attention. Is that grammar correct? I don't know. But I want you to give me your 100% attention. Make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss out on any of the tips I'll be spilling in this video. And the first on my list, we have local drop shipping. So don't worry about creating a Shopify store. You are not going to do all of that. I really want you to pay close attention to me. Make sure you are focused. Do not let anyone distract you, okay? So the first one on my list is local dropshipping, like I said. Now, this business, you do not necessarily need to have money to start this business. You can start as long as you have a phone and a good internet connection, which I know you do because you are watching me right now. As long as you have your phone and your internet connection, you are good to go. Now, the first step for you is to find a supplier. First of all, you need to know what you want to sell before finding a supplier. What do you want to sell? What can you sell? Look around you. What do people need the most? You can decide to sell clothes online. You can decide to sell jewelries. You can decide to sell shoes, bags, depending on what you know you can sell. When you are done deciding on what you want to sell, now what you need is to get a supplier's contact. Ask them to send you their pictures of their latest bags, of their latest slippers, shoes, depending on what you are selling. And most times they have like a wholesale group chat. Join their group chat because most times it's usually in the group chat that they post all of those stuff. Join the group chat and repost on your WhatsApp status, repost on your Facebook page, on Instagram. Add your own price to it. Let's say your supplier is selling that bag for 6,000 naira. You can put your own interest on top, your own profit, and make it 8,000 naira. Once you sell that bag for 8,000 naira, you've gained 2,000 naira profit, and your supplier will be the one to even weigh the stuff to your customer. You do not even have to buy the goods physically. You do not have to own a shop for you to start this business. All you need is your smartphone and your internet connection. The way bill, the address and everything, your supplier will do all of that. You're just like the third party, okay? All you just need to do is to repost those products, repost that shoe, that bag on your Instagram, on your WhatsApp status with nice descriptions and show up consistently. People are cashing out from this dropshipping business. Do not sleep on it. There are a lot of business you can start. There are a lot of dropshipping business you can start. There's shoes, there's bag, there's jewelries, there's clothes, there's wigs, name it. There are a lot of things you can start. So do not sleep on this. Do not sleep on this. Another lucrative business you can start today in Nigeria is cleaning services. Every day people are relocating to different places. Some persons are too tired to clean their house. Some persons are too busy to clean their workspace. And this is where your cleaning services comes in handy. And the good part is you do not even need so much to start this business. You can offer residential cleaning, office cleaning, and even special cleaning like those construction sites and all of that. What you need to do is to advertise yourself. You need to put yourself out there, publicize yourself. Let people know, let people be aware of what you are doing. Let people be aware of your business. Okay, run ads if you have to. Just put yourself out there so that people can be aware of what you are doing. And with time, when you start making money, you can start investing. When more people are in need of your service, you can then start investing in your business by employing more hands to work with you. Now, the next business idea I have for you is for you to sell something. What are you good at? I want you to sit down and ask yourself, what are you good at? This is for those who haven't discovered what they are actually good at. There must be something you are good at. There must be something you can do easily without stress. There must be something you can teach people easily without feeling like you're doing too much. You need to monetize that thing to make money. You need to monetize that stuff. For those that are into fashion designing, you can decide to create a sewing course where you teach people how to sew corset for like 1 month, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, depending on your choice. Then put your fee. People are willing to pay to learn. You can also decide to sell patterns for beginners that doesn't want to go through the stress of drafting pattern and all of that, and people will sell. People will buy it. You can decide to sell if you know how to bake cake, sell a baking course like how to bake cake, or conduct like a training, might be like a 2 weeks training, 1 month training, and make money from it. You need to discover what you are good at and make money from it. Okay, you can also decide to start doing consultation and all of that. If you can speak well, if you can advise people, if you can teach people, if you can mentor people, start a consultation business. Stop wasting your talent. Stop wasting your skill. Start monetizing your skill. Okay, this is one way you can make money. This is actually like the easiest way you can make money because it's something you're already good at. There must be something you are good at. Everybody was born with is a gift. If you not discover your gift, you need to take time, ask yourself. If you have to pray, pray, so God can open your eyes to see what you are good at and start making money from it. I hope you are getting value from this video. Yeah, I know this is the YouTube platform, you're watching this video, it's free and all of that, but do you know people pay to get advice like this? That's consultation. People pay for people to tell them the kind of business to start. So do not sleep on this one. Make sure you are watching this video, make sure you are learning, make sure you are jotting if you have to jot. Okay, and above all, make sure you've liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let's go to the next point. So the next point is for you to run ads. I think I've mentioned this in my previous video, but running ads is one business that pays, even in Nigeria, even worldwide. Is one business that pays because the world is digital now. The world, we're in the digital age. Everybody wants to put their business online. Everybody wants to build an online presence. Everybody wants their brand identity to be number one. Okay, so that's where you come in as somebody that can actually run ads. People are paying heavily to people just to run ads for them, and this is something you can learn on YouTube. This is something you can learn even like on Coursera by applying for financial aid. This is something you can learn for free even on YouTube. By the time you are done watching 1, 2, 3, 4 videos, you would understand the concept of running ads. You'll be able to at least try to run ads. Running ads online is paying. People are paying money. So this is one business idea you can do. It can be your side also, it can be your full-time also. If you have the time, learn how to run ads, learn how to run Facebook ads. Even if you don't want to learn it for people, learn it for yourself. So you'll not be paying people money to run ads for you, for your business. So guys, learning how to run ads is a profitable skills / business ideas that you can actually start. It pays, it's very profitable. Okay, learn how to run Google ads, Facebook ads, all the ads. You'll make money, you'll be swimming in money. A lot of social media advertising companies are actually making money because every day more and more people want their brand identity to be known. People want people to be aware of whatever products they are selling, whatever thing their brand is doing. Everybody wants that awareness. Everybody wants their brand to be number one, which is why running social media ads or learning how to run ads will never be addicted, will never be something that will never stop to be profitable, because every day, even down to startups, they want people to be aware of their business. So this is one business idea that can never run out of style, that can never be outdated. Okay, so I hope you are taking note of all of this. You can see I'm not gatekeeping all of these ideas. I'm saying it from my heart. You can see. So hope you are taking down, like you are jotting. Hope you are gaining value, and hope you've liked this video. Please like this video, okay? And also subscribe if you've not subscribed, and please ignore the H factor. I know, don't judge me. And the next one, we have affiliate marketing. I'm sure some of you, this is not the first time you are hearing of affiliate marketing. A lot of people have turned millionaires through affiliate marketing. Okay, so how does affiliate marketing works? Let me explain. So let's say, for example, your friend has a car and you want to sell that car for 5 million naira, and it tells you that if you can bring someone to buy this car for 5 million naira, I'm going to give you a 10% commission. So let's say at the end of the day, you're able to get someone to buy that car for that amount, and he gave you the 10% commission. That's affiliate marketing. That's basically affiliate marketing. So just like Ola of Lagos, you should know him, is popular on Instagram. So most of the time when he's advertising houses to buy, he will tell you that if you can bring someone to buy this house for, like, let's say 270 million naira, I'm going to give you 10 million naira. So let's say you successfully bring in someone to buy that house for that amount and it gives you 10 million naira. That's basically affiliate marketing. Okay, so affiliate marketing is basically selling people's products, and at the end of the day, they will pay you, they will give you a commission. All right, and in Nigeria, we have quite a number of platforms you can actually start your affiliate marketing journey on, like selling ebooks and other services online. Okay, we have a partner platform, but I think you have to pay like 10K for you to register and all of that. We also have stake huts. We also have, there's one other one like that, I'm forgetting the name, but if I remember, I'm going to put it on the screen of this video. Okay, so that's it, guys, with the top profitable business ideas you can start as a Nigerian. There's no excuse to not make money this year. You still have like 5 months left, 5 months and some weeks left to the end of 2024. So there's no excuse at all. You just need to pick one of these business ideas and put in your all, okay, and thank yourself later for it. All right, so that's it basically. Okay, I've literally said everything I need to say on this episode. Okay, this is not your regular video. This one is different. This one is like from my heart. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video, and if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel. Make sure to give this video a like this video so it can get to more people, and share this video if you have to. If you have a friend that wants to start up a business but they don't know what business they can start, you can share this video to them so it will be of help to them as well. All right, and also don't forget to turn on your bell notification so you get notified when I post amazing videos. I post videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays, so always stay updated. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next upload.